Now dear student, we are going to solve question number 5.11. In this question it is given a truck start from rest and accelerate uniformly at 2 meter per second square. So let's suppose I am taking situation like this. Let's suppose here we have a truck. Let's suppose this is truck. Clear? In this question it is given it is start from rest. It means u is given to you 0 meter per second. And it is also given acceleration is uniform, means acceleration is given by 2 meter per second square. Clear? At time t equal to 10 second, a stone is dropped by a person. So let's suppose now situation becomes like this. Let's suppose this is truck, and on this truck let's suppose we have this person. Clear? Now let's suppose this person is having a stone. Clear? Now in this question it is given after t equal to 10 second. Clear? After t equal to 10 second, this person is dropping a stone and this person is standing on the top of a truck. Okay. What are the velocity and acceleration of stone at t equal to 11 second? So first, whenever person is releasing this we can say stone, at that time, because after 10 second he is releasing, it means definitely this stone is having both velocities. Clear? We can say horizontal velocity as well as the vertical velocity. So first we can calculate velocity of a truck after time t equal to 10 second. Let's suppose I am saying this is v. So v equal to u plus at. I can say this is 0, acceleration is 2, and we can talk about this is 10. Clear? So I can say this is 20 meter per second. Clear? So I can say this truck is actually moving with velocity 20 meter per second after 10 second. Clear? Now what is happening as this stone is releasing? Listen carefully. Let's suppose stone reaches up to this point. When stone is releasing, two velocities are acting here. This is Vx equal to 20 meter per second. As this stone is separated from this truck, it will have a constant velocity in horizontal direction. But what about the vertical velocity? It is given we have to find velocity at t equal to 11 second. So here we have to calculate vertical velocity after 10 second. 10 second means we can say 10 second and 11 second. So for the 1 second, what is velocity attained by this stone? Clear? So we can say yes. So we can say v equal to u. So initial velocity in vertical direction we have 0 plus I can say I am taking downward direction positive. So acceleration due to gravity we have 10 and total time duration we have this is 1 second from 10 second to 11 second. Clear? So Vy we can say this is equal to 10 meter per second. Clear? So how can I calculate resultant velocity? Clear? So I can say resultant velocity is calculated by v equal to under root of vx square plus vy square. Clear? Under root of vx square plus vy square. Vx square is given to you 20 square plus this is 10 square. Clear? So I can say this is 500. So this is equal to under root of 500 and this is equal to 10 root 5. Clear? 10 root 5 and this is meter per second. Clear? So this is resultant velocity of this stone at 11 second. Clear? But what about acceleration? Clear? So if we talk about acceleration part, as this stone is detached from this truck, clear, at the time we can say there is no acceleration in a horizontal direction. We always find acceleration in a vertical direction, and we can say in this case we have acceleration that is g meter per second square, and this is in vertically downward direction. So I can say this is vertically downward direction. Vertically downward direction. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question.